Hello people, welcome to the channel Amrit Bro, where we talk about business, technology, science and many more. Today we are going to talk about nuclear fusion in a very simple way.
So, let's dive in together in the deep to explore the energy which powers our sun.
Nuclear fusion is a process that happens when two atoms join together to form a bigger atom. This process releases a lot of energy, which can be used to make electricity or power rockets. Nuclear fusion is how the sun and other stars produce energy. To understand how nuclear fusion works, we need to know a bit about atoms. Atoms are the tiny building blocks of everything in the universe. They are made of even smaller particles called protons, neutrons and electrons. Protons and neutrons are found in the center of the atom, called the nucleus, and electrons are moving around the nucleus. Protons have a positive charge, neutrons have no charge, and electrons have a negative charge. Opposite charges attract each other, so protons and electrons are attracted to each other. But protons also repel each other because they have the same charge. This means that it is hard to bring two protons close together. However, if we can overcome this repulsion and make two protons collide at very high speed, they can fuse together and form a new nucleus with one proton and one neutron. This new nucleus is called deuterium. The fusion of two protons also releases a particle called a positron and a type of energy called a neutrino. Deuterium can fuse with another proton to form a new nucleus with two protons and one neutron. This new nucleus is called helium-3. The fusion of deuterium and a proton also releases another type of energy called a gamma ray. Helium-3 can fuse with another helium-3 to form a new nucleus with two protons and two neutrons. This new nucleus is called helium-4. The fusion of two helium-3 also releases two protons. The basic process of nuclear fusion can be understood with the help of following equation. But please note that this is just a basic concept to understand, as the actual fusion process is much more complex and involves a series of intermediate steps.
Anyways, the equation is
4 protons right pointing arrow deuterium plus positron plus neutrino plus gamma ray plus helium-3 plus 2 protons right pointing arrow helium-4 plus 2 protons plus 2 gamma rays. This simplified equation shows the fusion of 4 protons into 2 helium-3 atoms, which each have 2 protons and 1 neutron, along with the release of various particles and energy. These helium-3 atoms can then combine with more protons to form helium-4, which has 2 protons and 2 neutrons, along with additional energy in the form of gamma rays. The energy released by nuclear fusion is very large, compared to the energy released by other sources of power, such as coal or oil. However, nuclear fusion is also very difficult to achieve on Earth, because it requires very high temperatures, about 100 million degrees Celsius, and pressures, about 100 billion times the atmospheric pressure, to make the protons collide and fuse. Scientists are working on developing machines called reactors that can create these conditions and harness the energy from nuclear fusion safely and efficiently. In summary, nuclear fusion is a process in which atomic nuclei combine to form heavier nuclei, releasing a large amount of energy in the process. And note that the equation mentioned earlier in this video is just a simplified representation of the fusion process, as the actual fusion process is more complex and involves intermediate steps. I will make another video to discuss the happenings in the field of nuclear fusion in the world. So, till then you all have a good time ahead. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See ya folks.